What's good, Q&A Nation? We back up in here with another video. We about to do something different. We're doing a video on a drone, my first drone, and it's gonna be an unboxing video. We'll probably do the review later because I still gotta learn how to fly it. I don't want to look like a dumbass.
You gotta give it a shout out. Who made it? What kind it is?
It's a Mavic Air DJ, what is it? DJI? Yeah.
DJI.
Yeah. And yeah. We're about to unbox it and see what they all got in it.
This came in the mail today.
This is my first drone. I'm about to have fun with it. Yeah, are you trying to open it too? It's freaking hot.
It's really hot.
And you just turned the heat on.
I say flame red. It's
full
red?
blast. Yeah.
Oh, I'm not white picture. Give me, I'm about to send you on your candle brand.
Alright. Taking too much time. But I don't want to. Taking
That's
everything.
The case. I know it ain't the size of that thing.
Taking
So what all features and stuff did it say it had? Like,
it got like 4K camera. That can follow you like without the remote and stuff like that. Got the sensors and everything. You use the phone to
so like you can record and stuff on it?
yeah, record.
Okay.
Pretty cool. There go the controller right here. I'm gonna point this down so y'all can see. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna take everything out. Make this easier. So you wanna fly it?
You want it broken?
You gonna try it out?
It smells like nail polish.
It do smell like nail polish.
Why it smells like nail polish? Okay. Let's
The,
see what all came in the box.
got the charger. I guess the charger connection. The charger connection.
Yeah.
You plug it up.
Yeah.
The USB connection. You gotta figure out where all this go anyway. Let's see. What else we got? Another C charger.
Oh, let me get that.
Don't try to take it. Not for you. I knew you were gonna say that. Not for you.
C charger queen, huh? I take as many as I can get.
And,
There's a flash drive.
no, it is just sticks.
I mean the memory card thing. It's what?
It sticks.
Sticks.
There's the screw on it. You see, they don't got no sticks on here.
Well, yeah, 'cause they had to be in like a bigger box. It might come messed up. I get it.
Yeah. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
What's that
pretty
sticking
cool.
out? What's that?
What's what?
This part.
Oh, that's the antenna.
Okay.
Got the little antenna to adjust it. The DJI in the front.
What all
Is
buttons does
it
it have?
DJI or DGI?
I don't know.
I think-
It says pause. What is the other one?
I guess-
FN
Yeah, I had to figure out all
and
that.
sport.
I know that's the home, the drone to make it come back home and land.
Okay, a new little toy.
I guess you put your phone right here. Oh, they got the,
You
they
gotta
got the
take your
sticks
case
right
off.
here. Huh?
You gotta take your case off.
That's how it go. Oh shit.
Woo! I knew that was gonna happen because it was on that other.
Alright, back to the scheduled programming. Alright, what else we got? What else we got? We got the propellers for it. Let's see that. Get you to open it.
Tiny thing.
Since I
Might
got-
break it trying to open it. You talking about open it.
Since I got all this.
I ain't got my fill in yet, so they kind of long.
Got the manuals. Focus, focus, focus. Oh, this don't got 2 USBs on it.
Gizmo, get off it. It's not food.
I guess you could charge both
This
on at
ain't
the
tiny.
same time. Yeah, we about to look at the drum.
This. Look how tiny that is.
They probably can't really tell.
It's like the size of a finger.
Oh, this the drone guards. Put the drone guard on this so you won't mess the propellers up when you run into a wall or some shit.
Where's the box?
Right here.
Cause I gotta see it like this. Cause you know I'm illiterate when it comes to stuff like this.
Alright, here comes the grand finale what everybody wanna see. No. I don't know. The red look pretty good. At first, when I was looking at it, I was like, "Damn, this look like a little toy."
It do like a toy.
It look like a
You know
toy
that
in
action
this
figure
color.
Malik made where y'all put all the Lego pieces together and y'all made that ship?
Yeah,
That's what it looked like.
that's it. They do look like that.
Yeah, it looked
Got
like
the
the little
little-
ship y'all built.
Got the little eyes in the front. Got the those are 2 sensors. Understand that? I know that. Sensors in the back right there. I'm about to open
How
the.
fast does it go?
Well, when I was reading on it, it said 42 miles per hour. So it'll go pretty fast. You know I'm gonna break that in. But the battery life is short, so I'm gonna have to get another battery. It said unfold the arms and forwards. Without trying to break it. I don't want to break it. I'll be mad as shit if I break this shit. Got a clean color though. It don't look too bad. As a first when I was looking at it, I was like, man, this don't look like a little toy. I was like, cause I like the white too. But like, it seemed like everybody got the white, so I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and get the red.
You know you can't put your phone on this, right?
Huh?
It's only compatible with iPhones.
Let's figure it out.
So you gotta get an iPhone.
Unfold
iPhone.
the rear. Alright, how you open this out?
And it works with iMovie and Final Cut Pro
Oh,
X.
okay. Twist it up.
I'll definitely end up breaking this.
Twist this up.
Don't ever do that in the house. Tell you in advance.
We flying this in the
No,
house.
you're not. You're
This
gonna
thing
hit
is
the
small.
center.
It's like a
Bloop.
little baby. Like a little baby drone. It look nice though. It look good. But got the here got the camera right here. I take these stickers off. I want me to take them all off before I take anything else off. Oh, can't even get a sticker on there.
What in the freak?
See? There's the camera right there. It's like, I see you. Be like, I see you. Like, I see. That's like the mouth. The 2 eyes in the front. Like, I see you.
Just know, like, he's a big nerd, so he is so into it. He wanted a drone forever.
Yeah. Who don't want a drone? Oh, they got the 2 sensors on the bottom too. 2 sensor right there.
And then we'll fly into a bird.
But yeah, here go the battery pack.
Fly like a bird, I wanna fly
Oh,
away.
this one dead as hell. Just the battery. You hit the button, I guess, to show how much power it had on this thing right here.
You're like a beeper.
It do like a beeper. Slide that baby back in. I'm breaking this shit before I fly. That's what's gonna happen. But yeah, got all the stickers on it. Oh, here got a landing gear too. You unfold the landing gears right here. What is that? Oh,
It probably unfolds on its own.
unfold that.
Fly like a bird, fly
Unfold
away.
Don't look pretty good.
So
Look
what is
kind of
this like?
sexy. That don't do look sexy.
So what is this, like the backup pieces?
Yeah. Guess just in case we break it or something.
Mmm.
Yeah. But alright, I'm gonna go ahead and teach myself how to fly this and give y'all a review on it and see how it flies. I might fly it in the house and run into her with it. But hope y'all like the video. Like and subscribe.
You could get
I'll
no
holler
face.
at you later. Gotta get it on there.
Get some like, what the heck is that?
They got eyes on it.
You look like you a creepy guy. Making that face.
Oh, it's hot.
You like the creepy old guy that try to talk to all the young girl. That's like 50-something years old.
Alright.
Catfish.
Holler at y'all later. Peace.
Adios.